Well, good morning. Now, welcome back to our last day. Today is going from Drum to Inverness, and we've woken up to quite a misty morning, as you can see, and it's about 16 degrees or so a bit cooler than it was yesterday. I'm hoping that that's going to burn off and we're going to get some views. The next section that we're just about to do, where we're starting off at the minute, has got a bit more road walking again, which was a bit of a killer on the legs the day before. But anyway, then we'll pick up the track or the trail when it's a bit easier underfoot. Anyway, we'll bring you back in a bit if there's something better to see, but at the minute it's just all misty and cloudy. Anyway, see you soon.
So at this point I'm showing you a load of gorse bushes, but I wish we had smelly vision, because the smell of coconut that's coming off it is just incredible. For those of you who don't know, the gorse yellow flower is edible, and to a lot of people, myself included, it tastes a bit like coconut, but the smell is just really, really strong. So I think the views on a good day from here would have been pretty stunning, but as you can see, with the mist, it's just not particularly good. I don't know if that's a house down there. What a place to live. Just so peaceful and quiet here.
So I don't know if you can hear in the background, but that cuckoo has followed us all the way down the trail.
So we've done just over 3 kilometres of the road walk, and again the blue thistle sign is taking us off road now onto this track. Unfortunately, it's still quite misty, so the views are non-existent, to be honest. Large deer fence running along one side. I'm pretty sure on a clear day the views would be pretty good, but at the moment, yeah, not a lot to see, unfortunately. So we'll keep plodding along, and hopefully at some point the views will clear a bit.
Hi there, welcome back. I just thought I'd give you a little update. We have been walking along what is a drover road. We are about 10 kilometres in for today, and we're walking through some beautiful birch woodland. the path has been pretty phenomenal actually. I quite enjoyed it. The weather hasn't been wonderful, quite misty, overcast. Over the moorland you couldn't see over to the northern hills, which you would expect to see in clear days. But all in all, actually it's quite a nice walk. It's cooler today. It's down to probably about 10 degrees, 11 degrees I think it is, and that's quite nice though. It makes it easy walking, although when you're in open land or areas it's just a bit breezier, keeping it cool. Anyway, I will bring you back when we're near the end. See you soon.
So that's us finally come out the forest trail and first views of Inverness in the distance there. So still a fair bit to go, but it's nice to have the end in sight. Back soon.
So welcome back everyone. That's us come into the outskirts of Inverness, and as you can see we're just walking along the canal edge, about to walk to the bridge to get over there and then over the bridge of the river as well, because obviously these are two separate points. We're looking forward, it's been a good walk, and we're looking forward to getting to the castle for the finish. The weather stayed pretty misty, but warm enough. Anyway, we'll bring you back when we're at the castle for the finishing point, but I'll turn you around and just let you see a wee bit more of what's about.
Boom. So, as you can maybe see, the original start and finish point, the big stone block, is down because there's a lot of work going on at the castle at the moment. But this is the temporary start and finish of the Great Glen Way. So that's us finished the Great Glen Way. I think it's been a fantastic walk, really enjoyed it.
Yeah, been a really good walk.
Yeah, definitely think the second part, so from Fort Augustus to Inverness, was the better of the two. The first from Fort William to Fort Augustus was okay, but yeah, the second part of the walk was far better. Stunning views down Loch Ness. Really, really good section. So only one thing left to do. Cheers everybody. See you next time.